What's up guys, welcome back to Puppy Playtime. Nightmare, Huggy Wuggy. I've drawn his head before, but I thought I might try the full body because it's crazy, like with those big banana hands. So let's try this. So head up here, it's pretty small, but it's simple. I probably don't need to zoom in on this one because it's like there's not a lot of detail. You know, it's just the small teeth mostly. So oval for the eye. And another. You can colour these black. Right, and it's like, so they're not eyebrows, but they kind of look like eyebrows kind of above. It's just he's got these lines kind of around his eyes, making his eyes look kind of spooky. Then we have those big lips, right? So it goes right down underneath his eye here, back up in the middle, down again, and then back up the other side. Like that, and then this comes all the way down. So we go like down there. We have the inside line for the lips. You just trace that again, follow the shape, and then go down this way. Like that. So if you want, yeah, sometimes there's like the sort of curved lines on his lips, you know, a little extra detail. You don't have to do that. You could just color the lips red. Whoa, something fell. Sorry. Right, and then like lots of spiky teeth, like crazy big, like, but they're more uniform than, you know, OG Huggy Wuggies. They're kind of like, yeah, they're just basically like straighter or something. Just all goes right up into the corner of his mouth. And then on the bottom, and just keep going around. And I don't think he has more teeth on the inside in this. I think it's just maybe some mouth lines, that's all that's in there. So then his head, so it's just spiky, sort of up either side of his mouth, like there. And then if we bring it down, and up. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so so just under his lip we have his sort of tied ribbon bow tie type of thing. So it just comes around like so. And the other side. And then we got like two little spiky sections. So he's got like a round belly then, just coming out from here. And then big spaghetti, sort of like mummy long legs, kind of like big winding sort of arms and legs. So this one kind of comes out of the side, so it's like, I think it's here somewhere. And it goes down this way. And there's like some stitching on his arm. And then we'll do, you could do these anyway, it doesn't have to be like, you don't have to draw them the same position as mine. You can wave them differently if you're confident enough. So this goes like whoosh, down that way. And then the underneath. What's that? Dirt on my page. We'll do the legs, we'll get the legs in. So he kind of has a knee bend on these. Kind of like a demon sort of. And then there is like bits of stitching holding the legs on, maybe the arm there, and there is a stitching line on this as well. So there's like where blue meets yellow, just here. And then his hands, they're like bananas, like bunches of bananas, like massive, sort of, just big yellow. Things like this. Same on this side. Okay, and then sort of his hands come down this side, so it's like a big thumb, and then the fingers are up here. This finger I think bent over a bit. He's got these lines down the sides bit because these are supposed to be gloves anyway. I think we can see a bit of his wrist or something there. And there's some stitching holding the hand on. And then on this side, big thumb. His index fingers. Like so. And I think that's everything. Hallucination Huggy Wuggy or Nightmare Huggy Wuggy. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.